The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon Point, California out to 10 nautical miles, waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon Point 10 to 60 nautical miles until 5:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:08 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 15 nautical miles southwest of Pillar Point, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include mainly open waters of coastal waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon Point, California out to 10 nautical miles and waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon Point 10 to 60 nautical miles. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.